you have to know what your ancestor did. Your ancestor did, suppose Spanish people came to Central America, like Pizarro, so forth. They destroyed totally that peaceful country. For what? For woman and for gold. And centuries continued that peaceful Inca, Maya, Aztec. They literally destroyed and killed many people. And now they became like very so-called third countries or whatever. And that millions of people were destroyed. Right? About Maya, Inca people were at that time estimated about 10 million people populations. 40 years later, population became about 1 million, between 1 million to 2 million. Mass murder did. Also, you have to know, some of your ancestors did from Africa. The slaughtering, mass murdering of the black people in Africa. And Africa's, you may think Africa is undeveloped, but before white people's destruction in Africa, Africa was a very peaceful country. Yes, many tribes, many kingdoms were there, very peaceful countries. But that was destroyed, and many things were exploited. And then, not only that, all those many black people who can work, they caught and sent as slaves with chain, and they were forced to work in this country, especially south, like plantation, etc., so forth. Family were all separated as soon as they reached here. Husband and wife separated, parents, children separated. And around that time, some studies say 4 million, some studies say 8 million. So about the 2 centuries period, these black people were killed. Furthermore, in this country also, how many American Indians were killed? This entire United States and Canada, American Indians country, the white people came in and slaughtered them by guns, etc. Right? Sometimes cheatings, right? And trade, right? And diplomatic trade, then later killed. And literally 30 million Indians killed. And say, beautiful America, centennial, etc. Okay? Freedom of America, great nation of America, which was built upon the blood of those Indians. Okay? And they were now only reservations, reserved place. These things happened. And these things, very ironically, under the Christians' names, Christian church names. So, actually Jesus' teaching is allowing that. Jesus is hell, go to the hell. Go to the hell. Because he is demon. But that is not Jesus' teachings. That is people's problem. Why people did that? Because individual people did not know what Jesus taught. Same things, Christian church, systems, etc. And so, no one actually did carry the cross on his shoulders, sacrificing himself, loving people without discriminations, except like very beginning times Christianity began. And that kind of bloody, cruel, insane past and histories we have had. We have. Not only that, between white people, nation to nation, murders, etc., all continue. And as it is, definitely this modern world, modern civilization, which were led by these Western thinkings, will destroy entire world. Because mind, which destroyed Maya and Inca, mind destroyed black Africa, the mind destroyed many Asian countries, mind destroyed American Indians, has never been self-reflective. Have never been evaluated, have never been self-reflected. And that mind still going between United States and Soviet relations. So definitely this world will explode. Because no change of mind. That means no understanding of principle relativity, principle of complementarity.